What do you do when tasked with developing HR analytics to improve business performance? Would you know how to leverage currently available data to prescribe a solution that enhances your business? Let's look at this further. When an executive needs support, building an analytics model that will truly add value can be overwhelming, and you may not immediately know where to start. It can be a bit daunting to tackle these problems. Are you the HR person that is able to give the business the solution to address its needs? Or will you provide generic HR metrics that are of limited value to the business and don't solve any real issues? With the right planning, you can be the former. I've found that the best approach is to start with a blank slate. It is important to do your homework, but the best way to build an analytics strategy is to reach out to the management team to understand where the greatest pain points are for the business. Talk with those that can benefit most from the implementation of standardized analytics. Do some research. Are there company-specific, industry, or other benchmarks you can use as a barometer of performance? Once you've reached out to the business to learn its true pain points, you need to take inventory of your current data resources. You need to reconcile the business needs with the data you have available. Are you missing data that will prevent a full analysis of identified issues? Can data from multiple sources be integrated easily, if at all, or will a longer-term solution need to be considered? When building out the solution, there are some key pointers I can share. Determine the data that can be used. Agree upon consistent metric definitions for all metrics. Build out analytics and test to ensure they provide the answers the business is expecting. And can benchmarks be applied to your data, or do you need to develop new benchmarks? Once you have done the hard work of determining, researching, and developing your metrics, it is time to roll them out to the intended audience. Train anyone for supporting the analytics. For end users, don't just provide analytics, but also share how to interpret these analytics solutions and positively affect those analytics. Ensure that the frequently asked questions, support documents, and metric definitions are available for reference. After your analytics have been implemented for a defined period, it's time to do a check-in with users. Does each analytic work as expected? Is there a way to improve any of the analytics, whether it's how they are measured, presented, or aligned with the other analytics? And should any analytics be removed or added to better tell the story? Thank you for viewing this presentation. You can reach me at the following email or at the website referenced on all the slides.